Morning, I am on my way into Manchester to go and ride with Rafa, and it is cold. I'm in long sleeves, although I do have shorts on. It's very chilly today, it's the end of May. What is going on? Last long ride before All Points North, so let's get going. Also, got the old road shoes on. I am really liking these. Right, I'm just in Rafa and I've just seen this on their computer and I freaking love it. Save the rim brake. I am all in for saving the rim brake. Rim brakes or disc brakes. Right, I'm going to the toilet, but I probably won't film. A bit awkward.
Also, you've got Scapegoat Hill, which is a lovely little winding lane up, and you can have an effort or do any efforts you want. Today I'd like to be fairly social.
The run that's going on. God, I used to love doing running events like this. But now it's all about the bike. Maybe I will do a bit more running in future. Bye runners! Good luck! Oh, this is where I ride to Dovies. This is in Greenfield. I love it. Look at these views. I've lived around here for like so many years. I've never done this climb. Well, not from this way anyway. I'm just less than a kilometre from the top. I think I've done it the other way actually. So just having a bit of a cafe stop, and we're heading up a climb I've not like an actual steep climb that I haven't done before. It's called Sheep Goat Lane, I think. A couple of K. It's meant to be really steep, and I am bricking it. Like I'm really not good with new climbs. Like I'm alright if I've done a climb and I know what it's like. Then I think it's just like the unknown. How many of you feel like that? But I'll give it a go. I do like trying new climbs, but I just get scared that I'm not going to be able to get up it. But I'm sure I will. Tell myself I will. So we just got to the top of the climb, and it actually was nowhere near as bad as I thought. What was I stressing at? What was I stressing at, Spen? The one before it was worse. So don't give in to the fear. Heading on?
Yeah, I went to sleep.
On the way now. Is he here?
He's about 50 metres behind me. Going straight on.
So I'm back home. Didn't film because I eventually we kind of came past near where I live, so I was like, oh, I'll just peel off rather than go back to the clubhouse. So that's just what I've done. I've got back, I'm in my comfies, and yeah, I just want to give you a bit of an update on All Points North. So I don't know whether you know or not, if you've seen my other video. Basically, next Friday, starting at 8 PM from Sheffield, I'm doing All Points North. So it's like a self-supported. You've basically got to create your own route around 10 points. I'll leave the website so you can have a quick look if you are interested. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing from next Friday. So yeah, it's probably going to be around 900k, 10,000 meters climbing. It is big, and we start Friday night, and I'm hoping to be back Monday night. So we shall see. We shall see how I get on. But yeah, I'm just letting you know, I've not filmed it yet. I will be filming it. Like a video about the stuff that I'm taking, because you seem to be interested. I like knowing. I'm quite nosy. I'm like, so what did you take? There's a girl on the Rafa ride today, Lorna, who did this huge challenge. Basically, I think she said it was 1500k over 15 days. Is that right? Basically going to all the different like national parks in the UK. Insane. And I was like, what did you take? Is there anything that you didn't take that you wish you took? So yeah, I like to share those videos because I just like to know what kind of stuff people take on these rides. So yes, I will be filming that this week. Can't film it yet because bit of a nightmare. Obviously my light broke. Got a new light, but I haven't got the USB charger, and where I take my bike to get all my dynamo stuff set up, they can't fit it until Thursday. And I'm like, I'm probably going to film it before then anyway. I just want to get it out of the way so that I can just concentrate on that. So yeah, that is where I'm at. I'm feeling very excited and I just want to do it now. I think because I've been waiting for it for so long, I'm just like, I just want to go and just experience it. And fingers crossed, please wish and fingers crossed for me that the weather's going to be alright, because I think if the weather's really bad for the whole time, I'm just not going to do it. Like I can't, the idea of riding that far wet through, no. We'll see anyway, we'll see how I get on. But I reckon that's it. I hope you've had a good week, I hope you've had a good day, and I will keep you posted, and I'll see you next video.